Hi everyone, it's speaking to Space. Excuse me, and today I'll be sharing with you guys rather my market breakdown for this week. And so I have quite a lot of trades opened. I think I have like 5 to 8 trades to be exact. And the first trade we'll be looking at, and this is a trade that I already have a position opened for, is Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and my trade bias is I'm a short. I'll be selling HFJPY. And as you can see here, we have a head and shoulders pattern, and this price has proceeded to begin a bearish move to the downside, pull back, moved sideways, giving us rejecting candles, and dropped a bit and is now moving sideways again. So I expect price to give me a move to the downside, reaching these lows here. My next trade is gold. This is a position, or rather this is a trade that I have position open for as well, and it's also a short. This position is actually in profits now. This thing is taking quite a long time to open, but yeah, okay, there we go. And here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. It's a simple trend line break and retest. So as you can see, price has been in an ascending trend line. It has recently broken the trend line, moved to this, and started moving sideways. And the last candle was a bearish close, but rather closed bearish. So now what I would expect price to do is to give me a move to the downside, reaching this support zone here. I already have this position running. It's currently not, it's currently in profit actually. So my next trade is EURCHF, actually EURUSD. Okay, so for this setup I have a descending channel, and prices recently bounced off the top trend line of the descending channel and has began a move to the downside. As you can see, it touched here, began a move to the downside, went it down, now it's pulled back up. So now expect price to continue to move to the downside, reaching at least to this low here. Our next trade will be let's see, AUD CAD maybe. Let's look at AUD CAD. All the trades that I'm currently sharing, I already have positions open for them. And AUD CAD is a short, and we are looking at, I guess, the daily chart. While this thing is loading, let me just take you guys through how things are going to be working in this channel. So on a Monday, or rather on a Sunday or a Monday, I would post a market breakdown video detailing the trades I'll be taking for the week. Then on a Wednesday, what I would do is I would post a midweek market recap where I share new opportunities if there are any, and review the trades I've taken, whether some have hit stop loss or take profit. Okay, so now let's move on. Then on a Friday, we'll post end of the week market breakdown, where I detail the trades that we have taken, whether there was a loss, a profit, and if there are any trades that will be running with into the weekend. Then on the weekend I would post an educational video showing you guys how I analyze and stuff like that. And our first educational video will be on head and shoulders chart pattern. There it is. Yeah, I'm gonna be sharing some notes, some information from baby pips, then explaining how I apply the information. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to the charts. So as you can see, price has been in an aggressive move upwards with little to no drawback. It bounced off this resistance zone here, pulled back to the downside, and has now begun another move up. So what I expect price to do is to give me a move to the downside. Reaching at least this support zone with my first take profit at this dotted line here, where I will remove 40% of my profits off the table. The next currency pair we're looking at is URCHF, I think. URCHF, there you go. Here we're looking at URCHF. And also, if maybe I'm not that audible, I have a Telegram channel where I share the same setups I'm talking about right now, but I just send a screenshot and a paragraph detailing the reason I'm taking the trades and I take profits and things like that. I also post, for example, I post my take profit, stop loss, and if it's a pending order, I post the price that I'll be entering at. So you can check it out. It's space_fx on Telegram. Now back to the charts. Let's just wait for this thing to load. Okay, it's taking a while. Hopefully let me just try another pair. I have a bad connection for some reason. I don't know what's happening. Let's just gosh. It seems like I'll be forced to end the video here, but just a quick rundown. It looks like it's loading now. Okay, this is good. I was about to end the video because I didn't want to waste you guys' time. Okay, let's get back to it. I think this is our second last trade. Let's look at the daily chart. It's quite slow actually, I don't know why. But my trade bias for EURCHF is a buy. So I'm expecting price to break this psychological level here when looking at the 4-hour chart. And on the daily chart there's a descending trend line with a break and a retest, and our prices began a move to the upside. Okay, since this thing is giving us trouble again, I will post a last 2 trades on my Telegram channel with a couple of paragraphs or a paragraph detailing my thought process behind those positions. And that will be all for today. Thank you for tuning in. If maybe you want to check out my Telegram, my Instagram channel, as my Instagram page rather, it's space_476. Thank you for tuning in. Now this thing decided to load, but anyways, thank you for tuning in, guys. I'm out.